Freezing our butts off, Kimberly and Ashley are going to jump on the trampoline and see what happens with all the sleet. Oh, it's crackling, man. All right, Ashley. It's cold. Y'all ain't right. All right, let's go inside. It's cold. Kimberly, did you just snort?
My hands are cold.
All right, come on. Now quit playing around. Let's go. It's cold. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. It's cold.